Good morning, everybody. I'm Kevin with Good Earth Water Garden, and we are back here today. We're installing a Pondless Waterfall. This is a little different kit that we have set up here. We're trying some new things with a small aqua basin and just a little bit more of an abbreviated waterfall, kind of a starter thing for people to kind of get their entry-level water feature in, and just kind of to be able to bring a little bit of the sound of the trickling and the running water, the tranquility that comes with it. So we're gonna get to our excavation. Basin's gonna go in over here, and we're gonna build up back over here a little bit with our dirt and rocks, and then create a little bit of a pitch heading back towards the house so they can use it in their seating area over here. So we're gonna get rocking and rolling. All right, so it's a little bit after lunchtime and we have our basin in. We're getting everything backfilled, plumbing all hooked up, and we're gonna start building this waterfall. All right, we are getting all finished up here. The Pondless Waterfall is complete. We have our lights hooked up, dosing system in place, and it is all up and running. So we were dealing with a little bit of tight quarters here, and there were some times where I was struggling a little bit just to pack everything in the space, but we made it work. We got it all to fit in there, and I think it turned out pretty awesome. So I'm gonna take you through this thing, and you guys can check it out and see what you think. If you like what you see here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.